Now, don't freak out. Barry, you there? He's finally here.
Belle, this is... Huh?
Our next news story is coming up right now.
What's going on?
System reset complete. I am a Type 3 General AI equipped with sequential integration. Development code, Fairy. Hello, Master.
So, bet that gave you a shock. The HDD system rebooted after you passed out, and there she was.
Did I hear that right? The HDD is talking?
Negative. I am a Type 3 General Purpose AI equipped with total sequential integration. You can call me Fairy. According to the user agreement you signed, I am to assist you in your work and wait for the opportunity to arrive.
Wait, what user agreement? What opportunity are you waiting for?
According to the user agreement, I am unauthorized to answer this question. You will receive an answer at the appropriate time and place.
She's a tough nut to crack. But where's the fun if there's no challenge?
What are you so happy about, Belle?
Master, I noticed a recent deletion and transfer of data to a third party, which will hinder your career as an illegal holo investigator, commonly known as a proxy. I can assist you in recovering your losses and rebuilding your reputation as a proxy.
Wait, so you can recover the deleted data?
Negative. I am unable to recover deleted data, but I can help you rebuild your database. I have unlimited access to over 80% of all smart devices in the city. With my assistance, data does not need to be accumulated, and real-time analysis of holo extraction paths is possible.
But that's not possible.
Negative. That is precisely my core function. To prove this, I can assist you in holo investigations. I've sorted through the anonymous forums on the proxy network for holo investigation services and private information gathering, commonly known as Internaut, to find a commission that is appropriate for your current state. Please choose an appropriate time to carry out the operation according to your preference. I look forward to working with you, Master.
Hey, you here to play?
Welcome! We have a new roast in today. Please have a taste.
Biosignals of the trapped personnel have been detected. Please search in this area. I'll help you reconstruct the hollow path and quickly locate the trapped personnel. Exploration route information updated. The trapped workers have been located. Data shows they are in an unsafe environment. The rescue must be carried out as soon as possible.
Return to this evacuation point after rescuing the targets.
Name tag verified. This is an investigator the Association dispatched for this search and rescue operation. Carrot data from investigator received. Analyzing hollow route. Exploration data updated.
Scan here for nearby hollow data.
Displaying new areas to explore. Exploration route one floor above updated.
Try this! Try this! Try this!
Pinch your maneuver.
Try my pillar! Just try me! End of the line!
We have reached a trapped worker. Searching for signs of life. Work ID 1592380. Vital signs. Highly excited. Corruption status. None. Needs to be calmed down. Suggestion. A slap.
Ouch! That hurt! I've never been struck by a bamboo before. Sorry, I'm getting out of this hollow right now.
Valve status analyzed. The valve opens only once sufficient gear coins have been inserted. The lock is not smart tech, so unfortunately, I cannot help you open it. I have detected vital signs of non-corrupted individuals ahead. Judging by their gear, they are Hollow Raiders. Association data states the number of fraud cases against this group are growing every year. Please beware of manipulation. Exploration data updated.
Wise, let's check out the location the Hollow Raider gave us. That's an area the HDD system can't scan. Scan for hollow data here, too.
Displaying new areas to explore. Exploration route one floor above updated.
Let's try applying this carrot data.
Displaying new areas to explore. New exploration routes detected in the Hollow's upper level.
Grab a couple more. Every effort counts! Stand still.
I got your back! End of the line!
Pinch your maneuver. Last power test.
We have reached a trapped worker. Searching for signs of life. Work ID 1686389. Vital signs normal. Corruption status light. Please evacuate from the Hollow immediately. The trapped worker has gone to a safe location. Please continue the search and rescue commission. We have reached a trapped worker. Searching for signs of life. Work ID 1586305. Vital signs: coma. Corruption status: moderate. Please initiate treatment as soon as possible. The trapped worker has gone to a safe location. Please continue the search and rescue commission.
We found all the survivors. Time to evacuate.
Sufficient gear coins paid. Authentication successful. Opening valve. The trapped workers have all been rescued. Commission complete.
Wise, finally, come here.
What's going on?
You mean these bags? They're full of broken signal transmitters that came from Bangbu. When put together, they're equivalent to several low-frequency signal jammers. With these, we can talk freely without worrying about Big Brother over there. Yeah, I mean that AI, Fairy. Look, bro, we really need to talk about her.
I wanted to talk to you about her too.
I thought with her calling you Master all the time, she'd have you fooled. But seeing your total seriousness makes me feel relieved. It's been a while since we let Fairy participate in our proxy work. And she's independently calculated all the escape paths you've used in the Hollows lately. I'm sure you've noticed. She didn't depend on any local data, nor did she ask for any support. But she's still 270 times faster than us when generating escape paths. It's not like she doesn't need any hollow data. She does. It's just that she can access the data she needs almost instantly. Remember how she mentioned she can access over 80% of the smart devices in the city? Looks like she was telling the truth. So like, if we could only glimpse a corner of the hollow before, now thanks to her, we can see the entire thing. But
Phaethan's proxy account is gone. Even if we can become better proxies ourselves, it'll be hard to get back to the level we were at before.
This is really important. But right now, I want to talk to you about this fairy problem. Fairy's powers are something the elites of New Eridu would all kill for. This is way too hot for us to handle. And when she forced you to become her master, she said that you should bide your time and wait for the opportunity to complete the agreement with her. But refused to reveal anything further. Something just doesn't feel right.
But if we can make use of her abilities, we might finally get some leads on what we've been investigating. Our teacher's lifelong dream just might.
Yeah. Anyway, we need to figure out where Fairy came from. There's no rush, of course. Let's take it slow. At least she's really good at staying hidden, so we don't need to worry about hackers like last time.
Let's just try and get along with Fairy for now.
Despite being an AI, somehow she still manages to be rude to me. But that's the way it is, I guess. Oh, yeah, do you remember? I asked the Cunning Hares to help investigate, but there's not been much progress, I'm afraid. Nicole got the Strongbox mission from an anonymous subcontractor. They didn't get to meet anyone related to the commission. She said she was gonna try looking into the Red Fang gang a few days ago, but I've not heard back since. I doubt they'll find anything concrete. Let's just hope that they don't get themselves into any trouble. They're good at making mountains out of molehills. Okay, we've talked enough about this for today. Let's leave it at that. You've been so busy improving our reputation on the proxy network and running the video store lately, dude. Let's just chill out and watch some TV tonight.